In this video, we'll show you how to upload a video to Google Drive and share it. If you find this guide helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel. Google Drive is one of the best ways to share videos. Let's get started by heading over to it. Open a web browser and go to google.com. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. Then click on the Google Apps icon in the top right corner. From there, select Drive. Alternatively, you can go directly to drive.google.com. Once you're in Google Drive, click the New button on the top left. For organization, I recommend creating a folder first. You can name the folder something like Share Videos, and then click Create. Now, double-click on the folder to open it. Next, click on the New button again in the top left corner and select File Upload. Find the video you want to upload and click Open. If you want to upload multiple videos, you can share the entire folder instead. Just hover over the folder, click the Share icon, and select Share. If you're only sharing a single video, right-click on it, hover over Share, and click Share again. This will bring up a pop-up window where you can either add people by typing their email addresses or create a shareable link. To make the video accessible to anyone with the link, change the settings from restricted to anyone with the link, then click Copy Link. You can now send that link to anyone, and they'll be able to view and download the video.